Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Oxford General Science for grade 6 and unit number and unit name of the lesson is energy for grade 6. So these are the answers for the questions which are given in the exercise. Question 1. Make a table with 4 columns showing the sources or the things having different forms of energy. The things having different forms of energy. First one. The chemical energy, it is present in food, it is present in fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. So fossil fuels are non-renewable energy resources, which are of 3 types: coal, oil, and natural gas. And then chemical energy is present when we burn match or candle. Match and candle have chemical energy when we burn them. An electrical cell or battery and explosives and fireworks. They have all these things have chemical energy. Second one is kinetic energy. It is present in moving people and animals, in moving cycles and motor vehicles, in windmills and wind turbines, and it is present in water energy, steam, and steam turbines. So kinetic energy is present when anything is moving. For example, when water is running, so that water has energy which is kinetic energy. In steam turbines, they have also kinetic energy. Potential energy means hidden energy, and kinetic energy means the energy which is present in the moving things. Moving energy, or the other name of moving energy is kinetic energy. The other name of hidden energy is potential energy. Potential energy. It is present in any object which is raised above the ground. And second, a stretched spring or elastic or rubber has potential energy. Number 3, food has potential energy. Number 4, other forms of chemical energy have all potential energy. All of the other forms of chemical energy, they have also potential energy. Fourth one is heat and light energy. It is present in sun and stars, in lightning or fires and or glowworms and fireflies, and in fire fish, some deep sea fish, and in light bulbs and light tubes. So there are 6 objects. These are examples of 6 objects are given for the chemical energy, and 6 examples are given for the heat and light energy, and 4 examples are given for kinetic and potential energy. Question number 2. The mechanical energy is wasted because of friction. What form does that wasted energy take? Answer. Friction wastes energy as heat, and friction slows down the movement of the things and increases their temperature. That means that when there is friction between two things, their movement becomes less and their temperature becomes more, or they become hot. Question number 3. Which advantage of the fossil fuels is also a problem when biomass is burned as a fuel? Biomass burning produces harmful gases like carbon dioxide, which contributes to air pollution, just like fossil fuels. Just like fossil fuels burn, they produce air pollution. So biomass also produces carbon dioxide, which causes air pollution. Question number 4. Coal and oil are important energy sources. Describe how energy from the sun becomes stored in coal or oil. Answer. Plants captured sunlight millions of years ago. These we are talking about dead plants. Dead plants captured sunlight millions of years ago. When the dead plants were buried under the earth, due to the extreme heat and pressure of the earth, they became coal and oil. They turned into coal and oil. And storing this energy from the sun into coal and oil. And oil means petrol. Question number 5. Why is it important to find new ways of generating electricity? Answer. Fossil fuels are limited. It means they will end soon within 300 or 400 years. Fossil fuels are limited and are called non renewable energy sources. which produce carbon dioxide gas to make air pollution, to cause pollution in the air. Renewable, renewable energy sources are cleaner and sustainable. It means that they will remain for always. For example, energy from the sun or solar energy and wind energy, which do not produce carbon dioxide and do not cause air pollution. Because in the wind, in the air around us, it has very minute amount of carbon dioxide, 0.03%. Question 6. How electrical energy can be changed into other forms of energy by converters? We are giving some examples. Number one, fans convert electricity to kinetic energy. Second, bulbs convert electricity to heat and light energy. And number three, loudspeakers, they convert electricity to sound energy. Question number 7. Write down about different energy changes which may occur during a fun fair. Answer number 1. Speakers change electrical energy to sound energy. Second, roller coasters change potential energy to kinetic energy. Number 3, swings change potential energy to kinetic energy. Number 4, light bulbs change electrical energy to light and heat energy. Question 8. List 6 ways to save energy at home. Number 1, turn off unused lights. Number 2, used LED bulbs. Number 3, insulate walls. Number 4, use solar panels. Number 5, fix leaks in the wires. Number 6, unplug unused devices or machines at home. Question number 9, heat is a form of energy. What is the difference between heat and temperature? So always remember that heat is a form of energy. And remember that temperature measures the average kinetic energy of the particles or atoms in a substance or thing. So let's consider about heat. Heat is a form of energy which is transferred between two objects or systems due to the difference in their temperature. Heat energy flows from a hotter thing to a colder thing, or from a hotter space to a cooler place or surface. Temperature. Temperature measures the average kinetic energy of the particles or atoms in a substance or thing. It shows how hot or cold an object is. Question 10. What energy changes take place when, number 1, when you talk on phone, when you speak on mobile phone? Answer, on any other phone. Answer, sound energy. Second, when you use a solar powered calculator? Answer, light energy 2 is converted into electrical energy. Number 3, when a wind turbine spins, so kinetic energy changes into electrical energy. Number 4, when a skydiver jumps out of a plane. Answer, potential energy of the skydiver changes into kinetic energy. Question 11. What kinds of energy do the following have? Number 1, an aircraft in flight. So an aircraft in flight has kinetic energy because it is moving. And the other name of moving energy is kinetic energy. Second, a slice of bread. It has chemical energy. Number 3, bungee jump. He has elastic potential energy. And number 4, a car at the top of a roller coaster. That car has gravitational potential energy. So these are all the 11 question and answers of the exercise of the lesson energy.